So welcome every viewer to my channel Script Smasher. In this video, I will give you a complete review of this mining GPT script, and it is the latest version script, completely new in market. So viewers, if you want to buy this script from us, do contact us on WhatsApp. The link is in description. You can contact us and buy this script on a very low price from market. So first of all, I will give you a complete review of this website. Then we will look at its admin panel, and I will give you a complete video guide how you can use it. And you can see that it is on my installed on my subdomain. Here you can see that. And now let's review this script. And before going towards the video, do like and subscribe to our channel, and to buy this, contact us on WhatsApp. The link is in description. So first of all, you can see the amazing animated look of this website. You can see there is a trading graph as well. Here you can see different things as well. You can change these things from admin panel. So viewers, you can see there is a amazing look. And now let's log into its user panel and let's see how we can use it. So here we have to enter our username and password. So I am entering my username, and here I have to enter my password. So I already have an account, so I'm not going to create again. So I'm logging in with my existing details. But if you don't have an account, you have to sign up to the website. So when I click on login, you can see that we have successfully logged into our user panel, and you can see the amazing look of its user panel. So here you can see the amazing look of its user panel. Here you can see income guide, membership, start mining. So you can also insert the external app with it, news, YouTube tutorial, help center, about us section. Same as a graph are here. And now here you can see your current balance as well. So now let's click on plans option, and you can see different plans of mining as well. So these are all the mining plans you can see right here, and you can create as many as plans from admin panel. So here when we go to B option, here you can click on start mining in order to start mining on your balance. And here is a Telegram option. By clicking this, user will be redirected to your Telegram channel. So this is how you can use this script. Here's a profile option. You can view your profile. And now let's click on sidebar, and here you can see the analytics. You can refer a friend. Here you can see your referral link is here. You can refer your friend you want. And let's go back. Here is add fund option. Here you can deposit money using automatic gateway or manual gateway. So this is an automatic gateway, and here you can create a manual gateway as well for the deposit and withdrawal. So you can create these things from admin panel. It's completely easy. I'll show you how you can do it. Here is a profile setting option. You can set up your profile through this option. You can update your image from here. You can change your name, number as well. So now let's go back, and here is a transaction. You can view all your transaction right here. Here is about us section, and you can view this. So viewers, this is the general overview of this site, and here you can convert it to dark mode as well, or you can use it in light mode. It's completely your choice. And here you can see all the notifications are here. So viewers, now let's go to its admin panel and let's see how its admin will looks like. So now I'm going to admin panel. So to go to admin panel, just copy this link, and here you have to type /admin. So this is the admin login dashboard. Now here we have to enter our admin details in order to log into the admin panel. So I will enter my username of admin, and here I have to enter my password. So when I click on login, it will log me into my admin panel. So you can see the amazing look of its admin panel: total users, total active users, email unverified, total deposits, total withdrawals, all the things you can see right here. Here admin can see all the notification of deposits, withdrawals, and user registration. Everything will be appeared right here. So here is a front end option. Admin can change the notice board from here. So you can change this notice board text from here. Here you can change the sliding banners. So you can see there are two currently sliding banners, but you can insert your own banner from here, and you can edit the existing banners as well. Here are important links option. You can change the important links from here. And here is a fake review. You can change the fake reviews of users that are on the site. And here are the about us section. You can edit the about us section as well from here. So here is a referral commission. So you can set up as many as levels of commission you want. You can set up all the referral commissions from here for the site. So there is a subscription plan option. You can set up the subscription plan settings from here. Here you can see there is currently 5 plans on the website, but you can create as many as plans you want. Just click on add new, and by filling all these simple details you can create as many as plans you want. So this is how you can create a plan on your website. Here is a manage user option. You can manage all the users of your site. Here you can see them, you can see their details, you can add balances to their account by going to this, and you can also subtract balance from user account. So viewers, if you want to buy this script, do contact us on WhatsApp, and also like this video and share this video to your friends and other people who need this type of sites. Here are all the user related activities. Here are the payment gateway setting. You can set up the manual payment gateways or automatic payment gateways from here. So let's go to deposit. So here all the pending deposits will be appeared right here. So currently there is no pending deposit, but when the user will request a deposit, it will appear right here, and admin will approve or reject the deposit request of a user. Similarly, the case is with the withdrawal. Admin can approve or reject the withdrawal request of user from here. Here is a support ticket. Admin can view the support ticket of user from here. So here you can see that there is a support ticket from a user, and you can see admin can see its detail and answer to the user. Here is the report option. Admin can see the complete report of login history, notification, PTC view, referral commission, mining. All the report are here. So general settings, admin can change the site name. So from general setting, admin can change the site name, site currency, site symbol, site base colors, and registration bonus, transfer balance. All these things are here, and admin can turn on off holiday commissions from here. So this is how admin can turn on off holiday commissions. So from system configuration, admin can turn on off different settings of the website from here. Admin can enable different features and disable from here. From logo and favicon, admin can change the logo and favicon of the site. So here admin can insert its own logo. Just click on select logo, select the logo, and upload it. So this is how easy to use this site. And from SEO manager, admin can manage the SEO of this website. So you don't need to do external SEO. You can directly do SEO from here. From KYC settings, admin can set up the KYC forms from here. From notification, admin can set up email, SMS, and other settings are here. So there are maintenance mode, turn on off, admin can do it from here. GDPR cookie, admin can on them, off them. Here system related activities are here. So viewers, this is a complete review of this site. Now if you want to buy this script from us, do contact us on WhatsApp, and we will provide you the script on a very low price, and we will also provide you complete support and installation of this script. If you need this complete website, we also build the complete website. So contact us and buy what you want. All type of scripts, websites are available. You just have to contact us for more details. So for more details, contact us and we will give you all the details about the site. So thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.